Inverse of a relation. Let capital A and capital B be the two sets, and let capital R be a relation from set A to set B. Okay, R be a relation from set A to B. Then the inverse of R, that is R inverse, denoted by R inverse, is a relation from B to A. Okay, so if R is the relation from A to B, then the inverse of relation R inverse is B relation from B to A. Okay, if A comma B is related to R, if A comma B is related to R, then B comma A is related to R inverse. Okay, so this is the definition for inverse of a relation. Okay, let capital A be the set of first 10 natural numbers. Capital A be the set of first 10 natural numbers, and capital R equal to x comma y, where x belongs to capital A, y belongs to capital A, x plus 2y equal to 10. X plus capital R and R inverse are sets of ordered pairs. Determine also domains of R and R inverse and ranges of R and R inverse. Okay, so given that in the problem, capital A is the set of first 10 natural numbers. Okay, capital A is the set of first 10 natural numbers. So capital A equal to set of first 10 natural numbers. Okay, so A is equal to first 10 natural numbers means from 1 to 10. So capital A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here in the problem it is given that x belongs to capital A and y belongs to capital A. Both x and y are belongs to capital A. Okay, so x and y are the elements of capital A. Given that x plus 2y is equal to 10, x plus 2y equal to 10, from this equation we can write 2y equal to 10 minus x. So moving this x to right side, 2y equal to 10 minus x. Okay, so 2y is equal to 10 minus x. So from this equation we can write y is equal to 2y equal to 10 minus x. So y is equal to 10 minus x divided by 2. Okay, so y is equal to 10 minus x divided by 2. Put x equal to 1. In this equation, put x equal to 1. So y is equal to 10 minus x divided by 2. So put x equal to 1. So y is equal to 10 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, for this x, you have to put x equal to 1. So y is equal to 10 minus 1 by 2. So y is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, so y is equal to 9 by 2, which is here, but 9 by 2 is not an element of A. Okay, so 9 by 2 is a fraction, but A is the set of first 10 natural numbers. So y is equal to 9 by 2 does not belongs to capital A. Okay, so we can write 1 is not related to any element in capital A. Okay, so 1 is not related because y is equal to 9 by 2, which is does not belongs to capital A. Okay, put x equal to 2. So y is equal to 10 minus x by 2. Put x equal to 2. So y is equal to 10 minus 2 divided by 2. So y is equal to 10 minus 2 is 8. So y is equal to 8 by 2. So 1, 4. So y is equal to 4. Okay, but here y equal to 4 belongs to capital A. Okay, so 2 comma 4 is belongs to capital R. Okay, so 4 is related to 2. Okay, so here the x element x is 2 x is 2, y is 4. Okay, so the relation is 2 comma 4. Okay, now put x equal to 3. Put x equal to 3, y is equal to 10 minus x by 2, that is equal to 10 minus 3 by 2. So y is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 by 2. So y is equal to 7 by 2, which is a fraction, does not belong to capital A. So 3 is not related to any element in A. Okay, put x equal to 4. So y is equal to 10 minus x by 2. Y is equal to 10 minus 4. Here the value of x is 4, 4 by 2. So y is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. So y is equal to 6 by 2. So y is equal to 1, 3. Okay, so for second table, if you cancel it, for 6 divided by 2 is 3. So y is equal to 3. Okay, so 4 comma 3 is a relation. Okay, so 4 is related to 3 and 3 is associated to 4. Okay, so 4 and 3 are related. So we can write 4 comma 3 as a relation. 4 comma 3 belongs to relation because y is equal to 3 is related to capital A. Okay, so next put x equal to 5, y is equal to 10 minus x divided by 2, y is equal to 10 minus 5 divided by 2. So y is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5, so 5 by 2, which does not belongs to capital A. Okay, so 5 is not related to any element in capital A. Put x equal to 6. So y is equal to 10 minus x by 2. So y is equal to 10 minus 6 by 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. So y is equal to 4 by 2. So y is equal to 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, so y is equal to 2. So 2 belongs to capital A. So 6 comma 2 is belongs to capital R. Okay, 6 is related to 2. Now put x equal to 7. So y is equal to 10 minus x by 2. Y is equal to 10 minus 7 by 2. Y is equal to 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 by 2, which is does not belongs to capital A. Okay, so 7 is not related to any element in capital A. Now put x equal to 8. So y is equal to 10 minus x by 2. So y is equal to 10 minus 8 by 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. So y is equal to 2 by 2. So y is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 is, so 8 comma 1 is a relation. Okay, because 1 belongs to in capital A. Okay, so 8 comma 1 is a relation. Now put x equal to 9. So y is equal to 10 minus 9 divided by 2. So y is equal to 10 minus 9 is 1 by 2, which is a fraction, does not belongs to capital A. No? Okay, so 9 is not related to any element in capital A. Okay, put x equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 10 divided by 2. 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay, so 0 divided by 2. So y is equal to 0. But y is equal to 0 is not an element of A because A starts from 1 to 10. Okay, so 0 is does not exist in capital A. So y equal to 0, which does not belongs to capital A. So 10 is not related to any element. Okay, so the relations are 2 comma 3. So the relations are So the relations are 2 comma 4, 4 comma 3, 6 comma 2, 8 comma 1. Okay, so the relations are 2 comma 4, 4 comma 3, 6 comma 2, 8 comma 1. Okay, so the domain of R, domain is the first element in each set of ordered pairs. Okay, so here the first element is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so the domain of R is 2, 4, 6, 8. Second element in each set of ordered pair is range. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is the range. Okay, inverse of the relation R inverse is equal to, we have to reverse, change the elements, interchange the elements. So 4 comma 2 in R, 2 comma 4, in R inverse 4 comma 2. Okay, in R 4 comma 3, in R inverse 3 comma 4. In R we have 6 comma 2, in R inverse we have 2 comma 6. In R we have 8 comma 1, in R inverse we have 1 comma 8. Okay, now the domain of R inverse, domain means first element, 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1, range is 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Okay, range is the second element. Okay, so domain of R inverse equal to 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1, range of R inverse equal to 2 comma, range of R inverse equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Okay, from this relation we can conclude that range of R is equal to domain of, sorry, range of R is equal to the domain of R inverse. Also domain of R is equal to range of R inverse. Okay, from this we can write domain of capital R equal to range of R inverse equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6, 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, range of R equal to domain of R inverse equal to 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 6. Okay, here domain of R 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, here range of R inverse 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Similarly, domain of R inverse equal to 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1, range of R is equal to 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1. So we can equate domain of R inverse equal to range of R, range of R inverse equal to domain of R. Okay, so clearly domain of R equal to range of R inverse is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, range of R is equal to domain of R inverse equal to 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1.